been running now for 3 years, and each year we have a certain topic that we focus on. We invite deliverers or people to come along and speak to us about those things, and people generally find them engaging and a good thing to attend. The kaupapa this year is Maramataka Māori. It's a topic that many of us will have probably heard about but don't know a lot about, and so we're hoping to invite speakers along to speak to our people about how to learn a bit more about it, sort of Maramataka 101, how to apply it in both our personal and our professional lives. We hope to integrate it into our work lives here at Te Wānanga Raukawa, and that's really exciting for us as well. People can expect to hear and learn a lot more about the Maramataka Māori. That is about where it came from, its origins, and its application at a local level here. People can hopefully come along and learn a bit more about how to live by the Maramataka, that is on a sort of a daily and monthly basis. The Maramataka is something that once you sort of get into it and understand a bit more about it, you actually start seeing how relevant it is to our daily lives. And it's not something you just sort of leave at home or just use during the work hours, but it's something that you can kind of live your life by. So the Lunchtime lecture series is a 1 hour delivery, but then we like to come together afterwards with kai. It's a really important time for us in our whanaungatanga space, where we get to unpack the lecture and have a chat about what that person has told us, but also ask questions of each other and share experiences. There are lots of people out there that have differing or have varying experience with Maramataka Māori, and this is a good time to share those things. So this year we're excited to announce that we have both online and in-person delivery options. We're asking people to go to our website to find out more information about each of the sessions. It's interesting this year that we're running by the Maramataka instead of by the calendar month, and so again there'll be more information on our website about that.